Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you are doing absolutely fine and wonderful. I was preparing for some other topic and I got the message that I'm supposed to do a pick a card reading on Lord Vishnu's message for you, especially for the Akshay Tritiya. Lord Vishnu is the caretaker of the entire universe, and some of you had even written in the comment section that you want me to do a reading as to what blessings Lord Narayana or Lord Vishnu wants to give to you. I thought let's make a reading on this topic, especially because of Akshay Tritiya. So I will be using your angel cards, tarot cards, and I'm also going to use the other divination tools like charms, universe messages, runes, and inspirational messages and things like that. I'm very excited about this reading because I really feel it's going to be very different and unique in its own way. Lord Vishnu is also known as Lord Narayana. One of his avatar is of Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, and he is somebody whom if you ever call upon him, he will immediately come and help you. All right, so he's one of the main trinities of the Hindu gods, which is Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva. Let's see what message Lord Vishnu would love to give you for this Akshay Tritiya especially. And of course, we cannot have a message from Lord Vishnu without getting the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi. So this would be a combined message from Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi. So now let's see what are the options for today's pick a card reading. Let me lower down the camera. All right, so the first option is the tortoise. As you can see, one of the avatars of Lord Vishnu was of a tortoise. All right, then we have the lotus. That is the second option. And the third option is this pyramid, which has this Gomati Chakra and the Shri Yantra. All right. So you can pick up any pile that you are attracted to. In case if you're confused as to which pile you should choose, as always, you can take 3 pieces of paper, write down 1, 2, and 3 in each paper. Just say, Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi, what message would you like me to receive? And pick up a piece of paper. Whatever number is there on the piece of paper, that's the pile you should refer to. So for example, if you get number 2, then you need to refer to pile number 2. In case if you want to see more than one pile message, go ahead, do that as well. Second method is, if you had to choose any particular object to take home, which object you would have picked up. You can go by that also. Personally, I always go by the paper method because it works beautifully. All right, guys, so these are your 3 options: pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. All right, so breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Focus on your heart chakra and say, Dear Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi, what blessings you're going to bless me with. And then open your eyes and see which object or which pile is calling upon you. Alright guys, this is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Let's get started. Hello pile number 1, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing absolutely fine and wonderful. So you have chosen this beautiful tortoise, which means that things are going slow than what you're expecting it to be, but do not worry, soon it will catch pace as well. So for today's pick a card reading, I will be using my angel cards, tarot cards. I'm also going to use other divination tools like charms, runes, words, alphabets, letters. So let's see what message does Lord Vishnu wants to give to you. So this was also a requested reading in my comment section. So I thought, let's go ahead. Pile number 1. See further. Lord Vishnu is known as the preserver of the entire universe. So if you need any help, or if you just call upon him, he comes to your aid and helps you with whatever problem you are facing. Blessings coming your way from him. All right. Let's see the goddess deck. Interesting. Let's see. Oops. One card just wants to come, so let's keep it. All right, let's see what your tarot cards are saying. Okay, so let's get started with your cards. It's definitely going to be interesting. I can hear so many messages. All right, let's see your first tarot card. The Wheel. So, if you see, Lord Narayan also has a Sudarshan Chakra in his hand, and you got the wheel, which also means, which also represents, wheel is called in Hindi as chakra. Okay, so yes, the wheel is going to be in your favor. The Wheel of Fortune, which is represented by this card, will be in your favor. Things which are stuck are going to start moving. I feel that some of you have been really waiting for something to happen, some big happy change, and that has not been happening, or maybe the progress is really slow. So this card is telling that the progress is going to be soon, quite fast. There is going to be an amazing momentum happening in your area of whatever your wish is. All right, but definitely you are protected and shielded is what I'm also getting from this card. Let's see your next card. The next card is 5 of Cups. So Lord Vishnu wants you to stop crying over spilled milk, and focus on your blessings. Lord Vishnu is saying that yes, things have been disappointing, and he does he is giving you strength for the emotional loss that you have suffered, but at the same time he is holding your hand and is telling you that it is time now to move on, to go ahead and see what life has to offer. So start counting your blessings, and it's time to get up and get going. All right, let's see what other message Lord Vishnu wants to give you. The Queen of Swords. So here Lord Vishnu is asking you to get rid of all the toxicity that you are facing in your life. He is asking you that rather than running away from the toxicity, stand up and speak for yourself. He is telling you that you need to be assertive, and while being assertive, he is there to protect you, to safeguard you. So do not worry. I also feel that there is a woman in your life who has been quite mean to you and using really very harsh words against you. So Lord Vishnu is telling you to be assertive and neither aggressive nor submissive. Is telling you that you have the ability in you to put down your point of view in a very articulate manner. So just go ahead, speak up. All right, you don't have to take this toxicity. All right, so let me keep your card over here. Now let's see what is your next card. Focus on your priorities. So Lord Vishnu is telling you to sit down, write down whatever your priorities are. What is it that needs your immediate attention, and focus on them. I feel that some of you are doing rituals and prayers and you're kind of confused. All right, you're like, oh my God, should I do this prayer or that ritual or this ritual? So Lord Vishnu is telling you that first focus on those prayers that which you want to manifest at an urgent basis. All right, so focus on that is what I'm getting from this card. Also Lord Vishnu is telling you that you need to stop being so anxious. You are kind of going in this overthinking mode. All right, and this overthinking is causing you a lot of anxiety, especially at the night time. You feel so sleepy, but when it is time to go to sleep, you are thinking about, what if I lose this person, what if I lose that person, what if I lose all the money, what if. So you're thinking of scenarios which has not even happened, but you are worried, what if it happens? So stop getting into that anxiety zone and stop giving energy to things which are not even happened. All right, so that's what Lord Vishnu wants you to focus on. All right, that's your next card. Distant horizons. So I feel that some of you really want to travel and you're feeling so dazed. You're feeling so disappointed with the fact that you cannot really just get out and get going. But this card is telling you that yes, do not worry. The travel plans and everything will happen. It may have gone on hold, but it will happen. At the same time, Lord Narayana or Lord Vishnu also wants you to expand your horizons. All right, he is telling you that you need to get out of your comfort zone. You need to try different aspects, avenues, options. All right, he is asking you to kind of move ahead. All right, now let's see your next card. And so interesting, there are so many cards in the deck, but this is what came up. Lord Shri Krishna. So definitely you guys pray to the Krishna avatar of Lord Narayana, and that avatar of Lord Narayana is with you, blessing you as well. So let's read. You have got sense of humor. So the card is asking you, Lord Krishna is asking you to look at look at your life from a perspective of positivity, of happiness, of joy, of humor, because so many of you are sulking right now as to what is not right. All right, so you need to have some sense of humor. Also, Lord Krishna wants you to focus on charity and loving people around you, and he is telling you that in relationships you are going to receive success. Also, he is asking you to be open to receiving love. At this time, Lord Krishna is telling to be carefree, because anxiety is really lowering down your vibrations. Let me keep your card over here. Now let's see the next cards, guys. You have got playing it safe. So this card is telling you that yes, you do need to get out of your comfort zone with a distant horizon card, but at the same time, weigh the pros and cons and then take action. I feel that there is some you need a breakthrough, guys, is what I'm getting. So Lord Narayana is telling that the breakthrough will happen, provided you weigh the pros and cons and then decide what is the best for you. All right, okay, let me just shift this a little here. Okay, all right, let's see your next card as to what blessings are coming your way. A blessing on a new venture. So this is what it was all about, playing it safe, distance horizon. So yes, Lord Vishnu, Lord Narayana is going to send you a new project, or if you're already working towards a new project, he is going to bless you with abundance. All right, with regards to this project, he is telling you that yes, you need to play it safe, but at the same time, you also need to get out of your comfort zone. So this new venture that you are having is definitely going to be blessed with. I'm also getting that this new venture has got to do something with communication, is what I'm hearing. Okay, now let's see your next card. Archangel Raphael, I'm helping you to heal physical challenges in yourself and others. You are a healer like me. So maybe you're a doctor, maybe you're a healer, maybe you are neither a doctor or a healer, but you have the ability to bring positivity, healing energies by counseling others, by giving people hope, by giving people strength. So yes, Archangel Raphael is telling you that you have the healing ability in you and to use it. Let's see what other message you have. You have got be candid. So I think the playing it safe also over here is telling you that maybe some of you are overthinking it so much. Okay, so there is something that you want to do, all right, but you are so scared, you're worried that what if I am not able to do it, what if people make fun of me, what if this, what if that. So over here, this card is asking you to be candid and carefree, the same message you got from Lord Krishna as well. So Lord Ganesha, Lord Narayana wants you to be candid. Also, they are asking you to speak up, or okay, you guys are not speaking up. Let's see your next card. Sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron. So this card is telling you that there are a lot of downloads that come to you, okay, from Lord Narayana. Lord Narayana, the entire divine realm, is giving you messages via your thoughts, via your intuition. But either you are avoiding it or ignoring those messages because you feel, oh my god, if I listen to these messages, I will have to go out of my comfort zone, which I don't want to, because what if this happens? What if that happens? So overall, group 1, I think the message over here is very clear. Lord Narayana wants you to take up this new venture. Lord Narayana wants you to at the same time see the pros and cons and then take decisions, and just not blindly take decision, but do not overanalyze. Okay, do not go into this entire too much of perfectionist mode. All right, that's what I'm getting. Now let's see your other divination tools. You have 3 options. Let me lower down the camera for you. So these are your 3 options. So let me see which option is for you. I'm getting this one. Okay, so let me keep this 2 aside. Let's see what your other divination tools are going to tell us. So I've added this mega size words. Let me lower down the camera further. Okay, so the first thing that you have got is a cat. So with this I can clearly say that Santana Lakshmi is with you. Some of you are praying to Santana Lakshmi, or you connect with her. The reason I'm saying is cat is connected to Santana Lakshmi. Also, some of you have feeded a stray cat, or maybe you're doing some charity with regards to animals, and Lord Narayana loves it. You have got the best. So yes, you are the best. Lord Narayan is telling you that you need to believe that you are best. All right, you have got the moon card, which means that you are very creative. However, you're not tapping into your creative abilities because of some fear. You have got ball. So ball represents being playful. All right, and also it talks about taking that chance. You got lock, which means that things which were stuck are going to move ahead. You did get the wheel of fortune. All right, so definitely things are going to move ahead. You have got the word beautiful. I feel that you have offered beautiful flowers to god, goddess, and the divine is accepting. Some of you have offered really beautiful flowers to Lord Krishna, Lord Narayana. I'm also hearing Tirupati Balaji, and Lord Narayana is accepting and admiring the way beautifully you are decorated, his entire altar. Oh, there are more words. Okay, let's take all of them. You got bus. We always say that the bus will arrive, right? So your opportunity, your time is definitely going to arrive. You got chair. So not only you will get your bus, you'll get a seat in it as well. At the same time, chair represents authority, power. So yes, a lot of power and authority coming your way. Let's see your other cards. You've got family. So some of you are trying to expand your family, or there is going to be some addition in your family. All right, or some of you are worried about your family, or there is some sort of family loss. So Lord Narayana is holding your hand. Okay, you got every. All right, so every wish of yours is going to get fulfilled. Do not worry. You got food. I feel that some you guys do a lot of charity with regards to food, or you are in food business. All right, and there is going to be success in that as well. You got full. So your glass is going to be full. It was half full, half empty. Now it's going to be completely full. All right, let's see. You got one more, but you got thin. So some of you are worried about your weight. So it's time to focus on being healthy rather than anything else. Okay, let's see what universe messages you have got. All right, so you have got today will be a good day. So every day is going to be a good day. Focus on the present. You got save the date. So as I said, you did get over here a family, all right, and you did get the Lord Krishna card, which was Lord of Love. All right, so yes, there is going to be love coming in your life. If it could be in the form of marriage, it could be in the form of a child. So save the date. Okay, there's an important date going to come. You got Sagittarius. So either you are a Sagittarius, or somebody who's of a Sagittarius is of importance. You got always say yes to adventures. This is why I love using divination tools. Okay, you did get it, playing it safe. All right, and you did get be candid. All right, so the cards are asking you to say yes to new adventures which really make you feel alive. All right, you got you are my sunshine. So this is what Lord Narayana wants to tell you, that you are his sunshine. You bring in so much of happiness, positivity around. You're always trying to bring smile on other people's face, and that's what Lord Narayana really adores about you. All right, let's see what else you have got. Let's see the charms. You got Om. So I feel that you chant Om, or you listen to the Om chanting a lot. All right. Oh, look, you've got the family, you know, the duck family, and over here also you have a family. So definitely there is going to be an expansion in family. So beautiful. You got bomb over here. So I feel that, you know, some of you are wanting a makeover. All right. So that's going to happen. You have got lock. Oh my God, look at this. You got lock over here and lock over here, and I randomly pick up things, and this box that I picked up, you know, was out of the 3 boxes. So, you know, and see what a coincidence. A lot of things are going to unlock for you guys. Okay, you got Sudarshan Chakra. Wow. So see the blessings, you know, you did get the Wheel of Fortune and again the Sudarshan Chakra. So you are safe, you are protected, you are shielded, guys. Do not worry. Let's see the rune that you have got. You have got the rune Gebo, which means a lot of gifts are going to come your way. There is going to be generosity, friendships, good relationships. Wow. You got this the sunflower. So I feel that you have offered flowers to Lord Vishnu in some way and he's accepting it. Oh look, you got this 2 eggs and this bird. Oh my God, some of you are going to get pregnant and you're going to have a family. The ones who are single, there is going to be a good you know, family life that you're going to be blessed with. You got a woman, so definitely a woman could be of importance to you. If you're a woman, then there is definitely going to be a glow up happening in your life. All right, you got the milk. Sorry, you got the milk charm. So pay attention to your calcium levels, guys. Okay, let's see what else you have got. You got Aries. Okay, so some of you could be Aries. Let's see, let me just remove all of this. Okay, all right, so let's see the inspiration words that you have got. I'm going to add more to this. You got dream. All right, it could also be that your name means dream. Okay, it's what I'm hearing, but I feel that your dreams are going to come true. You have got miracle. All right, so yes, your dreams are going to get, you know, when your dreams come true, when Lord Narayana will bless you with good dreams, okay, coming true, you will feel as if miracles are happening to you. All right, you got hope. So when I said that, some of you were like, oh, I don't know, you know, I really don't know, will that ever happen to me? So here Lord Narayana is asking you to keep your hope high. All right, okay, let's see the angel numbers. You got 2 4s. Oh my goodness. So you have a lot of angels with you as well. Angels in Hinduism is called Devdoot, Farishta in Muslim. So, you know, angels are there in every religion. All right, so they are there with you, supporting you. You have got 8, number 8, which means there is going to be a lot of abundance coming your way. You got the number 1, which means keep your thoughts positive. All right, now let's see the alphabets that you have got. This could be your first name, middle name, last name, or initials, or somebody else's first name, middle name, last name, initials, or could be their full name, your full name, or maybe there is some word which requires your attention immediately. All right, one word that I can really see is horse. All right, and horse means movement, change, or maybe some of you deal with horses. I can also see the word sea. And Lord Narayana and Lord Goddess Lakshmi live in the sea. Okay, so you have got OLOIOIIRRSEAFH. So these are the alphabets. All right, and this is your reading, guys. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. Let me pick the camera up. All right, so think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. Wow, you got trust. So trust in Lord Narayana and he will definitely fulfill your wish. I don't know why I'm hearing the Vishnu Sahasranam. So maybe some of you actually read Vishnu Sahasranam, or you want to read it, or you hear it on YouTube. Alright guys, this is Sheetal Sipan Matre. This was your personal message from Lord Narayana. Thank you so much for giving us this beautiful message. Thank you Goddess Lakshmi for giving us this beautiful message. Please bless all the ones who have chosen pile number 1. Thank you so much. Hello group 2, how are you guys doing? So all those of you who have chosen this beautiful lotus option, I feel that you have offered beautiful lotuses to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Narayana. I also feel some of you have also have some sort of beautiful lotus element in your house is what I'm hearing. So yes, there is going to be a lot of wisdom, okay, spiritual growth, wisdom, a lot of messages coming from the divine, from Lord Narayana into your crown chakra. All right, so let's see. I'm going to give messages to you from Lord Narayana, from the angel cards, tarot cards. Let me just adjust the camera a bit. I'm also going to use the divination tools like charms, messages, angel numbers, alphabets, words. So a lot of interesting tools we are going to use. Okay, so let's get started. All right, let's see. So Lord Narayana is the one who takes care of the entire universe. If you pray to him, all right, he will help you to sort things out quite quickly. All right. He is worshipped on Akshaya Tritiya, which is one of the most auspicious day. All right. Blessings coming from Lord Narayana. There are different avatars of Lord Narayana, like Lord Krishna, Lord Rama. Tirupati Balaji. It's really interesting. I was shuffling your God Goddess deck and look at the last card when I kept it. See, Shri Vishnu. So I'll take this card because it just was there on the top. All right, did I take the abundance? Okay, let me check. Take the abundance deck. Okay, let's take right, and now the tarot cards. I'm hearing that your anxiety levels are very high. You need to calm down, guys. Okay, let's see what your cards are going to tell us. Okay, let's see your first tarot card. Wow, you got the Four of Wands. So Lord Vishnu is saying that there is going to be a celebration. Some of you have been really praying for home or matters related to home. All that will definitely get sorted. So Lord Narayana is asking you to not worry. There could be some happy news with regards to home. It could be buying of a home, selling of a home. It could be a wedding ceremony, a housewarming. It could be a bridal shower, a baby shower, but definitely some amazing news that you're going to celebrate. All right, let's see your next card. Wow, the sun. My goodness, this is so awesome. So definitely this card is telling that there is going to be a lot of success, good health, happiness coming in your life. Lord Narayana is going to bless you abundantly. All right. I also feel that there is going to be an immense spiritual growth happening in your life. And Lord Narayana, I can hear, is saying that you have been doing excellent work. Okay, you have been really doing a lot of charity, helping other people. Charity is not necessarily only giving money. Okay, even if you are helping someone by giving them emotional strength, that's also an act of of goodness which the divine acknowledges. Let's see your next card. Seven of Swords. So over here, Lord Narayana is telling you that you are too nice and people take advantage of that. Also, there's somebody who has cheated you. Okay, so Lord Narayana is telling you to not pay any attention to to this kind of people who have cheated you. Just learn the lesson and move on. All right. Lord Narayana is also telling you that what is meant for you will come to you no matter what. Okay. Lord Narayana is also telling you to keep your path extremely ethical, follow ethics, do not give in to temptation of any sort. All right. And I also feel that I'm hearing that there is some sort of ancestral healing or prayers that you have done that has been accepted as well. But Lord Narayana is also telling you to keep yourself, to put yourself first. All right, to put yourself first and follow the path of ethics. That's very important. Let's see your next card. Thought. So as I said in the beginning of the session, that you tend to overthink a lot. All right, but at the same time there is going to be a lot of downloads that will come to you via your thoughts. So pay attention to them, because that's going to really open doors for you. All right, there are many people, in my I Am Miracle workshop also I tell participants, or for that matter in any workshop, I tell my participants that yes, you are doing prayers, you are doing rituals, but you're also getting messages from the divine which you need to follow. So for example, if you are praying for a new job and you get a message, or call this colleague of yours, or call this friend of yours, or maybe you get a message that you need to change something in your resume. So do that. All right, it's because that is divine's way of telling you what you need to do in order to make your dreams into reality. Let's see your Angel's Abundance card. You got successful funding. I feel that some of you want to buy a house. Okay, or maybe there is something a business venture, something for which you need money. All right, so that money is going to come to you. Do not worry. The funds that you require to buy a house, or to get that education, or whatever is your dream for which you need money, that money is going to come to you. So you need not worry about it. All right. Okay, let's see your next card. You got Lord Vishnu. All right, and this message is from Lord Narayana itself. So what an amazing way to get a message. So you have got the blessings coming your way from Lord Narayana is illumination of the heart, which means your heart is going to really enlighten. Also achieving all success in life, which we saw with the Sun card and the Four of Wands card. Welfare for one's families. See, you did get the Four of Wands. true reverence for life. So this is so amazing. All right, so Lord Vishnu is blessing you with all of these amazing things. Let's see what your other card is telling us. Oh my god, this is so awesome. Group 2, you guys have got such amazing cards. You got the Four of Wands, you got the Sun card, you got blessings. Even Lord Vishnu is saying success in all areas of your life. You got successful funding. So Group 2, you guys are going to rock. Whatever your dreams are, they are going to come into reality. Let's see your next card. Oh, I think I removed 2 Angel Abundance card. That's amazing. Donation, teaching and charitable work. So yes, whatever blessings Lord Narayana is going to give you, all right, in this the Sun card, the Four of Wands, you need to also share your blessings with others, all right. That's also very important. Let's see, you have got Lord Rama. It's so interesting that the first pile got Lord Krishna, which is an avatar of Lord Vishnu. You guys got Sri Rama and Lord Vishnu card. Okay, this is so amazing. So let's see what this is telling us. Fidelity in marriage. All right, so that's why the Seven of Swords is also kind of indicating be loyal to your partner. Obedience as virtue, security, name and status. Wow, so you're going to get a lot of status. Amazing. Adherence to truth, keeping one's word. So Seven of Swords and this is telling you the same thing. All right, you need to follow dharma. That's why you have got Lord Rama. I feel that you guys do follow dharma. It's not that you don't, but this card is telling you, Lord Rama, which is Lord Avatar of Vishnu, is telling you to always follow the right path. Okay, always follow whatever is right. Okay, let's see your next card. Okay, you have got happy family. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing, guys. There was another family card that you got, right? I think it was in the form of Lord Vishnu's blessings. Let me check. Welfare for one's family, and you got happy family. And you got the Four of Wands. I feel that Group 2, if you were confused between Group 1 and Group 2, you should see Group 1 as well. Yes, there is going to be a lot of happiness coming your way. Addition in the family is going to happen either in the form of marriage or in the form of baby, but yes, that is definitely going to happen. Let's see the blessings coming your way from Lord Narayana. Blessing on a resolution. So maybe some of you are having some sort of conflict in your family that's going to get resolved, or if there is some sort of problem that you are facing, that problem is also going to get resolved. Let's see what your joyous fun, guys, Group 2, come on, this is so amazing. If you have even little bit of doubt, oh my god, if things are going to happen in my life or not, this cards are a confirmation. All right, so yes, lot of fun in the sun. All right, and see, look at this card, look how they are enjoying. So a lot of fun, a lot of happiness is going to come in your life. All right, a lot of joyous fun. Amazing. Let's see your next card. Oh my god, Archangel Michael, this is so beautiful. I am with you, giving you the courage to make life changes that will help you to work on your divine life purpose. So yes, your life purpose is being supported. All right, the funds that you need are going to come. All right, do not worry. Do not, I feel some of you are also worried that what if will you be able to fulfill your family's financial needs? So the answer is yes, you will be. Your family is taken care of. There's nothing to worry. Everything is going to fall in place, guys. Come on, you got Four of Wands, you have got the Sun card, you have got blessings, you have got Sri Vishnu, Lord Rama. The only thing that Group 2 you need to be careful of is do not give in to any sort of temptation. All right, so now you have 2 options left because Group 1 already took 1 option. All right, so let me lower the camera. So these are the 2 options. Let me see which one should I choose for you. So I normally go by energy. Okay, this one. All right, so this is the one that had maximum energy when I was kind of uh, waving my hand on it. All right, so let's see what words you have got. So this is a new addition. I already had words in it, but these are the new words that I have taken. Fish. So Lord Narayan's one of the avatars of Lord Narayan was that of a fish. All right, so fish represents abundance. A lot of abundance is going to come your way. You got ball, so be playful and be happy. All right, you got clock, so yes, time is going to be a favor. Whatever you want is going to happen in the perfect divine timing. You got bells, so maybe wedding bells for someone for sure. All right, or an opportunity is going to knock your door. You got cap, so definitely this means that there is going to be some sort of recognition, like feather in the cap kind of a thing. All right, you have got table, so some of you work with table. Either you bake, you make, you cook food, or or maybe you have a table work, or some sort of work which requires a table. All right, so that's going to really flourish. Okay, maybe you're a tarot card reader for that matter. All right, let's see what are the other words that you have got. Okay, let me take. You have got caterpillar. So right now, life looks like a caterpillar, but soon it's going to be a beautiful butterfly, so don't worry. I feel that life is kind of dangling a carrot in front of you, and you're like, when am I actually going to get to eat this carrot? So that's going to happen. You are in transition right now. You got leaves, so something which there is going to be a lot of greenery and abundance happening in your life. You got ugly things, things that were not good for you are going to be good. All right, you got fox. So over here, I feel that 7 of Swords card and the fox are quite in sync, which means you need to be clever. All right, but you should be clever enough to understand other people's scheme and fraud, but at the same time you should not be cunning towards others. All right, you got man, so there is somebody maybe a father, brother who is going to be of help. You got pretty, so yes, life is going to be really pretty for you. Big, which means big happy changes are going to come in your life. You got the word clean, which means clean your space, declutter, that's important. Let's see what universe messages you have got. Okay, so you got bless this mess. So whatever is not working right now in your life, bless it, because a lot of learning is happening and it's going to get clear. So don't worry. That's why you got clean as well. You got see good in all things. So look at the blessings which is there in the mess that you're facing. You got hope. All right, sort of pause. Have that hope. Don't give up. Okay, I feel that some of you are kind of giving up on hope. All right, you got be happy, be bright, be you, which again resonates with the sun card. At the same time, it also talks about the joyous fun. All right, so ensure that you are being happy. You got never give up on your dreams, okay, because dreams are meant to come true. Okay, you have got storm don't last forever. I feel that you guys have been disappointed with regards to something. Okay, some dream of yours, so don't be disappointed, it's going to happen. Let's see what other messages you've got. You've got the eye charm, which means public recognition. All right, you have got, I think this charm is, I think this person is trying to sneak. Okay, I feel that just be careful of people who may try to be fraudulent towards you, but understand you're protected and safe. You got house over here, and you did get the 4 of Wands. So literally some of you are wanting to buy a house but are wondering from where the money is going to show up. So this is a confirmation, the money is going to show up. Okay, don't worry. All right, you can keep your house over here. You've got love, so yes, the ones who are praying for love, that's going to happen. You did get the family also, right? You did get the happy family. Where is that card? You guys got the happy family, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you guys got the happy family. Yes, you did. Okay, let's see. You got the world, which means your name is going to be spread across the world. All right, there's going to be some sort of international connect, international customers. You have got I think group 1 got this. So definitely addition in the family, or a happy, this is a nest, this is also, it's a nest. So again, I think you guys are really praying for a home. You got the wheel, okay, which also represents movement. So yes, there is going to be a positive moment in your life. You've got the dog, so I think loyalty is very important. Okay, be loyal. Okay, you've got the bird. All right, so I feel that you're going to really fly high. Okay, you got the shoe, so stay grounded when you're flying high. Okay, you've got, oh, look at this, be happy, be bright, be you, and the sun charms. So, and again, this emoji is wearing a crown, sort of recognition. So when all this recognition and happiness is going to come your way, ensure that you do not forget your roots. Okay, let's see what else you have got. You have got Taurus, so maybe you're a Taurus or somebody's a Taurus is of some importance. You have got Scorpio, so maybe you are a Scorpio or somebody else is a Scorpio. The words that you have got is, okay, I got enough, inspirational words, so you are enough. All right, you have also got, let me just empty this. Hey, you did get a feet. Okay, so this is what I call Goddess Lakshmi feet. So prosperity is going to be yours. Some of you, there could be a birth of a child as well. Blessings from Lord Narayana. You got beautiful, you got the word beautiful, and you did get pretty as well. So life is going to be beautiful and pretty. This is the second time you have got love. Okay, my God, look at this, love. And I think your card also spoke about love. All right, illumination of the heart. So definitely a lot of love coming your way, guys. This is so beautiful. Let's see what rune you have got. You got the rune of you got Ansuj, which talks about divine connect, communication. So communication is going to be important. It also speaks about divine power. All right, so you have the divine force with you, and ensure that your communication is proper. Let's see what angel number you got. You got the angel number 76 and 7. So 27. Maybe you see 7 often. All right, so you are on the right path. The ones who saw the 7 of swords and like, oh my God. So yes, you're on the right path, but ensure that you continue on the right path. And the number 6 talks about maintain balance in spirituality and materialism. All right. Now let's see what alphabets you have got. This could be your first name, middle name, last name, or maybe there's some word which requires your attention, or maybe somebody else's first name, middle name, last name. All right, so let's see what this is telling us. Okay. All right. So you have got AISRL HAESITVUAI. All right, so these are the alphabets that you have got. Let me pick this camera up and let's see what your wheel of fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question that you would like to ask Lord Narayana, and let me spin the wheel for you. You have got miracle. All right, so whatever you asked for, the answer is miracle. So expect miracles. Okay, expect miracles. All right, guys, so this was your personal reading group 2. So take what resonates, leave what does not. It's a general readings. All right, guys, so group 2, I hope you enjoyed this reading. This is Sheila Sapan Matre. Take care. Bye bye. Hello Group 3, how are you guys doing? This is Sheila Sapin Matre, and today we are going to see what amazing message Lord Narayana would like to give you. Especially Akshaya Tritiya is coming up, and I thought let me do the reading on this topic, whereas I was supposed to do a reading on some other topic. Alright, so today I'm going to use your angel cards, tarot cards. I'm also going to use divination tools like runes, charms, words, universe messages, inspirational messages. So it's going to be really interesting. Group 1 and Group 2, it was so awesome. I'm pretty sure Group 3 is also going to be awesome. So let's see your messages from Lord Narayana. Alright. So Lord Narayana is the preserver of the entire universe, and if you have any problem, you call upon him and he really helps you to sort things out. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook. We are going to come up with an Akshaya Tritiya series. So check the links below. Oops. Okay, so this is the card that has fallen, and let me take that. All right, and it's interesting that, oh my god, this is so amazing. I'm using this deck which has got so many cards, and in all the 3 readings Lord Narayan avatars have shown up, which is so amazing. That's why I love shuffling on camera, because you know it's at times so unbelievable. Okay. And now your tarot cards. You guys really pray sincerely to Lord Narayan and Goddess Lakshmi. Okay, you sincerely pray. Or I'm hearing, you know, that in case if you're from a country wherein, you know, you're not praying to them, I feel that you are somebody, you know, who really prays to the masculine and the feminine energy, you know, like you're connected to those energies very strongly. You had chosen this beautiful Gomati Chakra and Shri Yantra, which means a lot of abundance, prosperity is going to come your way. A lot of wish manifestation is going to happen as well. I also feel that you're connected to Goddess Tripura Sundari, some of you, or maybe you want to know more about her. You got the King of Pentacles. So yes, lot of money coming your way. Your insecurities, especially with regards to money, are going to be wiped away by Lord Narayana. There is going to be a man who is going to help you to sort your finances. All right, but a lot of financial help coming your way. Let's see your next card, the 5 of Swords. So yes, somebody is bullying you. So do not worry, this bully is going to get out of your life, but you need to speak up for yourself. Also, this card is reminding you that ensure you are not bullying anybody, all right, in any manner, all right. So whatever defeat, I feel some of you have something which you wanted to happen, there was a victory which you were expecting which did not happen, all right. I think one of the piles also had a similar situation. So there was something that you were really hoping to win or hoping to receive, but that did not happen, all right. So don't get disappointed is what Lord Narayana is telling you. Okay, you have got the 10 of Pentacles. So this is so amazing. When you got the King of Pentacles, I was talking about the security, and 10 of Pentacles represents security at all level. So yes, expect your family life to be secure. There is going to be a lot of abundance, inheritance. Some of you may also receive money via inheritance. There is going to be a lot of financial blessings on you. You are safe, your family is safe, everything is going to fall in place. There is absolutely nothing to worry about. Your old age will also be taken care of, because I feel some of you are worried that when you grow old, what's going to happen, or maybe some of you are at a matured age and you are kind of wondering that how things are going to fall in place for you. So this card is telling that there is going to be a lot of security, happy retirement happening. All right, let's see your next card. This is so amazing. You have got generosity. So yes, you yourself are a generous person, okay. Even if you have little, you always share it with others. So all that generosity is going to come back to you multiplied. There is going to be support, help, gifts coming your way, guys. All right, let's see your next card. Deservingness. So when all this help, when all these gifts are coming your way, understand that you deserve it, and don't be like, oh my God, I don't know whether I'm worth it or not. Understand, Lord Narayana is telling you that you are his beloved child, all right, and you deserve all the support that you need so that you are able to focus on your life purpose, okay. You need to recognize your good qualities. You need to recognize that how lovable you are, all right. You really are amazing. So recognize all this amazingness that you have in you. So guys, interestingly, when the cards fell, this was what showed up first. So Akshaya Tritiya is also marked as a day when Lord Parshuram had taken birth. All right. So Lord Parshuram is the slayer of demons. Lord Parshuram is an avatar of Lord Narayana. All right. So let's see what blessings are coming your way. Teaching ability. So I presume that most of you are teachers, trainers. So yes, lot of blessings are going to come your way. You got ultimate justice for all. So yes, I feel that some of you who are teachers tend to get bullied in some way. Do not worry, justice is going to prevail to you. Skill in martial arts or defense is going to be very strong. Do not worry. Converting warrior spirit and qualities into a peaceful one. So all those of you who are in this zone right now, understand that Lord Vishnu's Parshuram avatar is with you, supporting you, protecting you, and all this struggle that you have been through, all right, you have shown your warrior spirit with all the trouble that you have been in. So all of that is going to lead to peaceful times ahead. This is so beautiful, guys. So amazing. Let's see your next card. Attachment. So here Lord Narayana is telling you to let go of toxic attachments or attachments that are not serving you, habits which are not serving you. Let go of that so that you can grow ahead in life. Okay, let's see the blessings coming your way. You have got a blessing on your love. Wow. So all the ones who are singles, definitely this card is talking about good relationship, marriage, and also this card is asking you to love everybody around you, and forgive people. All right. This card is also telling you that your love life, whether you're married or single, is going to improve. All right, let's see your next card. Milestone. This is so amazing. So yes, you are going to receive the recognition. You are going to get lot of awards. Okay, there is going to be a milestone which you're going to achieve, a promotion, a recognition. All right. I don't know why I'm hearing subscribers, I'm hearing promotion, I'm hearing some of you are going to in personal life there is going to be a milestone. All right, that's your next card. Athena, it is safe for you to be powerful. You know how to be powerful in a loving way that benefits others as well as yourself. So you did get the card of Parshuram, right? And this is also talking about power. So don't, what is happening, guys, is that you are scared. You are like, if I keep on growing, okay, will that go to my head? So don't worry, you're not one of those people who will let power go to their head. And you are empowered. All right, you're empowered to move ahead, to take your own decisions. You are not a victim, you are a phoenix, my friend. All right, so when life throws you into this fire, all right, you come out, you rise out, okay, and you come out more fierce and more positive. All right, so yes, you are able to convert any adversity into an opportunity, and that is so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so this is my warriors. Okay, let's your next card, occupation. So over here I feel that you're going to create some masterpieces, okay, and those masterpieces are going to help you to achieve the milestones. Also, this card is telling you to be original. The more original you are, the more authentic you are, the more you're going to grow. Now, since all the other groups have taken the boxes, this is the boxes left for you. So let's see what this other divination tools are going to tell us about the blessings coming your way. So let me lower down the camera for you. Okay, so let's see the words that you have got. So this is a new words that I have added. Okay, so let's see one by one. All right, so you have got table. So maybe you are a teacher taking teaching via online classes is what I'm getting from this. Also, maybe you're a baker, maybe you are a tarot card reader, so something, your work involves table. So I think table represents over here stability. You got apple, so don't fall into temptations and take care of your health, eat healthy. You got suns, which means you're going to shine really bright. All right, you got bird, you're going to fly high. Oh my god, look, so I randomly picked up and I just put it in the boxes. You got sun twice. Wow, so lot of abundance coming your way, guys. You're going to be successful. This is so beautiful. You got careful. All right, so when you are soaring high, all right, also be careful, okay, don't take unwanted risk. You got Mr., so some of you are looking for Mr. Right. Okay, you got slide, so you're going to have a lot of fun, okay, playful fun. You got frog, so I feel that you guys have been kind of always meeting frogs and not your prince or princess. So that's going to change since you did get a blessing on love. That is this card. All right. You got some. So I feel that with this, I feel that, you deserve a lot. Okay. And just not little. All right. Let's see your universe messages. Oh, you got one more. You got tall. Okay, tall. So you're going to really grow, guys, in terms of your life. Okay, you got life begins at the end of your comfort zone. So this is asking you to get out of your comfort zone, but be careful at the same time. You got Virgo, so maybe you are a Virgo or somebody who's a Virgo is of importance. You got butterfly, sort of transformation happening in your life, guys. You got never give up. So I did tell you, right, that you are like a phoenix. You convert every adversity into an opportunity. All right, and you always see the bright side of everything. Some people also tell you that you're too hopeful, but that's all right. Don't bother. You got the charm magnifying glass, which means I feel that you need to get into details. All right. Here got the cat, which is also a cat of prosperity, sort of prosperity coming your way. Over here you have got a half a moon and a book. So some of you are going to come up with a book, and you're a very creative person. I think a lot of learning happening, and you did get Parshuram, which talks, wherein there was a teaching ability. So definitely a lot of learning happening and teaching happening as well. You got the hot air balloon, which means you're going to fly really high. Okay, you got stars, a lot of recognition coming your way. Oops. So maybe the star fallen, so make a wish. All right. You have got Leo. So maybe some of you are a Leo, or some Leo is of importance. Let's see what rune you have got. Oh, you have got Iya's rune, which means you're protected, shielded, so don't worry. Okay, you have got the elephant. So I feel Goddess Gajalakshmi is with you and protecting you and blessing you with a lot of luck. You have got family. So there is going to be an addition in the family. I think almost all groups got that. Okay, that's because Lord Narayana is a preserver of earth. So definitely that means there is still hope for mankind. He's sending more people on earth. That's so amazing. Let's see the other word that you got. You got forever. So the blessing on love. You're going to be loved forever. All right. Let's see one more inspirational word you have got, which is, oh my God, look at this. You have got the word blessed. So you are forever blessed. Okay, see guys, let me just show this to you closely. You are forever blessed. So whenever in doubt, just remember these two words, forever blessed. That's what you are. Okay, that's your angel numbers. You got the number 5, and see, butterfly and transition. A lot of transition and changes happening. Oh my God, you have got the number 8. So a lot of changes for the better. A lot of abundance is going to come your way. I feel some of you have loaned money to someone, and that person has not given that money back to you. So that's going to come back. All right, let's see. And if you have taken money from someone, ensure that you return it back as well. Because when you block somebody's $1 or 1 rupee, your $100 or 100 rupees gets blocked. Okay. So this could be your first name, middle name, last name, or somebody's first name, middle name, last name, initials, or it could just be certain word that requires your attention. All right. So these are the words, alphabets. Okay, you got MIEAO, AEEGEIONI. So these are your alphabets. All right, so let me pick the camera up and we will see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. All right, let's see. So think about a question that you can ask the Wheel of Fortune. All right, so let me spin the wheel for you. Wow, you got jackpot. So whatever you're asked for, guys, you are going to get jackpot in that. All right, so you are going to strike gold, in short to say. So group 3, this was your message, and I'm so grateful to Lord Narayana and Goddess Lakshmi for giving such amazing message. Everything was in sync. And if you like the content of this video, do subscribe to my channel only if you feel like and you are guided to. Do like the video if you enjoyed this pick a card reading. So this is Sheetal Sapin Matre, and this was your tarot, angel card reading, charms, runes, divination tools, and I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Alright guys, so the ones who wrote in the comment section that you wanted to get a message from Lord Narayana, here it is. So take care guys, lots of love to you and lots of blessings your way. Om Namo Narayana. Take care.